How far have I got on that Green Dream project? 53 Chevy panel wagon. Stay tuned and I'll show you. Welcome back to another episode of FrankNCarrie's Adventures Model Building. Been working on that Green Dream projects. 53 Chevy panel wagon. I got the body painted, nice green color. Also got parts here in the paint booth. And I'm working on some other parts in that for it. The decals are ready to go. Been a little busy around here trying to get a big project squared away. If everything goes right, that'll be in a future video. And it's a big project. So that's where we're at. I'm going to continue working on this today while I'm waiting for some emails and that from the deal on this big project. I hope everybody's doing good. It's been cold here. Right now it's about 17 degrees outside. Got a little more snow. Depends on what today does. I might end up having to push some snow. I don't know. So anyway, it's going to be a short video for you. Just a quick update. Figured I'd jump on here, let you know where I'm at. I've just been letting paint dry and make sure everything's good there before I move on. And so we'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget, send in your business card or your logo to eicg@yahoo.com. Make sure it's on a white background, or you can sell it and send it to through the snail mail at the address below. You may just end up with me doing a build for you. So you can also send your request to that email. It's listed down below for PayPal donations, and we'll see what we can do. Alright, smile today, smile tomorrow, and you're going to smile all week, guaranteed. Here's some suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watching for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.